yung pinapakita mo sa loob, kunwari good intentions, parang minsan yung labas, medyo masama eh. Na parang napaperceive ka ng tao ng ibang parang napoportray mo. So, isa lang yun din sa... Kaya guys, mag-ingat tayo sa social media, sa paggamit ng social media kasi very talaga siya. Like, lalo na sa aming mga artista na gabi yung epekto sa amin.
Kaya nga, iba din yung story na nakikita at iba din yung story naming naranasan.
San Juan, hindi magaling sa pagkanta, pati din sa pagsayaw. Bagay na kapartner mo talaga si JM, kaya kayo nanalo doon.
Sabi ni Elonia Moskva, malansa.
Sorry kung judgmental ako, pakinggan, pero I find Vince cringy. Parang feeling pogi yung vibe niya, ganun. Ewan ko na, hindi ko na alam kung anong gagawin ko sa life.
Saan na ba kami lulugar? Ano ba gusto nyo?
I am finally back and we are back!
Yes, sir!
Hi! Welcome back, buddy!
Welcome back.
Ayoko namang patumpik-tumpik pa. Gusto ko na ipakilala yung pinaka-paborito kong guest for today.
Reveal.
Sino kaya yun? Reveal naman dyan. Reveal. At syempre, si Michael Sager!
Mali. Hi guys! What's up, Triggered? I am back. Grabe. It's been a long time, no?
Last ka na dito, para di pa kayo housemates, bro.
Oo. Nalala niyo pa yun? Nasa tayo nun eh? Nasa Soul Restaurant. Diba?
Odd Soul.
Yeah.
Wala ako nung tinape nyo yung episode.
Guys, ang saya nun, di ba? Yung nag-taping tayo. Napakasaya.
Talaga ba, Michael?
Pero yun na nga. Ito, kasama na sa segment natin ngayon, what triggered you today?
So yun yung tanong namin sa'yo. So far, maaga-aga pa, pero meron na ba?
Oo.
Siguro this morning, I woke up at 5 a.m. kasi alam ko mag-guess ako sa Triggered. Kaya parang, oh my God, I have to wake up. I'm excited eh.
Gabi. Inunahan mo yung alarm mo?
Oo bro, inunahan ko talaga. Pero, realistically, what triggered me so far is being with you guys again. Kasi ang tagal natin hindi nagkakasama.
Na-trigger ka doon?
Ano yung na-trigger sa'yo? Na-trigger ba
Na-trigger
yung anger, yung happiness?
Yung anger kasi si Thea kasama ko.
Talaga ba? Ay,
yung,
sagot din ako, wait.
yung longing. Yun yung na-trigger sa akin. The longing to feel the nostalgic that we once shared when we were Sparkado. Tapos!
Ay, naku, di pa din nagbago. Bolero pa din.
Ayup!
What triggered you, Thea?
What triggered me today is ang aga-aga, ang lakas ng boses ni Michael kanina talaga.
Sa may makeup area.
Pagdating niya, ang lakas ng boses niya, ang lakas niya tumawa. Tapos parang, Michael, wait lang. Kasi
so, na-trigger yung inis?
Hindi pa, yun talaga. Kasi hindi pa gising yung diwa ko.
Well, ginigising na kita, Thea!
Grabe!
Medyo na-trigger ako doon.
Ingay!
Ang ingay.
Podcast to So sana pleasing to the ears yung naririnig. Kasi halimbawa may mga nagda-drive ngayon, pinapakinggan nila tayo.
Yung audio man natin na-trigger.
Pasensya na po kay Michael Sager. Ganito
Sorry
po
na,
kasi
guys.
talaga siya yun na nga.
Ikaw, Vince.
Ako siguro yung pila sa drive-thru kanina na pupunta ako.
Nag-drive-thru ka kanina.
Drive-thru ako. Kape muna ako. Medyo matagal. Pero alam mo yun, patience is a virtue.
Yes!
Wow! Nagbago ka na talaga.
Grabe yung mga quotable quotes ka na talaga ngayon.
Grabe kayo.
Dami na kino-quote sa akin
Galing ba
kahit
yan?
mga kalokohan ko.
Galing ba yan sa How to Win Friends and Influence?
Nakabasa ko ng libro yan guys sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. Pero yun na nga, yun yung nag-trigger sa akin. Kaya ikaw,
Nag-trigger sa akin, kanina nag-shower ako. Alam niyo yung, di ba sinet ko na sa mainit. Tapos pag-on ko, di ko alam na nakatutok sa akin. Malamig pa yan nung unang bugay. Bro, talon ako. Kami kong ganun. Ayun, yun yung na-trigger sa akin. Na-trigger yung gising ko.
Shucks.
Pero syempre yun, moving forward, si Michael na manifest niya.
Transition mo, pre.
Swabing-swabe yun, ha?
Si Michael kasi, na-manifest niya yung pagpasok niya sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya.
Yes.
And, meron siyang pinost sa Twitter noong 2020. Ayan yung nakasulat dyan. Pwede mong basahin, Sean. Go,
Hindi, dapat si Michael yung
magbasa. Sige, si Michael, go, basahin mo.
Envision that you were your...
This is your 2020 self.
Yes. Sino ba si Michael Sager?
Naalala ko pa yung
Internalize mo
tinatype
muna.
mo sa cellphone
Yeah, type mo, tapos
ganyan.
nag-i-intro ka.
yung time
Hi guys, I'm Michael Sager from
Yes.
Canada.
I'm a dancer.
I'm a dancer. I once
I'm a
appeared in a
singer.
Disney series called The Descendants.
Nakakagigil.
Hi, I'm Michael Sager, 17 years old, Vancouver, Canada. Ganun magsalita rin. Okay, anyways, back in 2020, December 1 at 5:08 p.m., I tweeted, "Dear Kuya, I would love to be a part of your bahay because I want to share my story to the Philippines and the world, what it's like growing up in a different country and growing up away from your family. Thank you, Kuya, for this opportunity and see you soon. Hashtag PBB Connect Housemates."
Wow!
PBB Connect.
Ano
That
to?
was
Pinost mo to
back
sa
in 2020.
Canada or dito ka sa Pilipinas?
Pinost ko yan sa Canada, bro, at 3 a.m. Alam kong gabi pa yan kasi yan yung peak hours dito sa Pilipinas. So,
Ito ba yung nag-stream?
doon ako nagla-live before. As in, yung live streams namin for Kuya, may challenges siya noon. Mga 2 a.m. magsa-start tapos 5 a.m. Then papasok ako 8 a.m.
So, technically, second go-around mo na to sa pagiging...
It's actually my third. So, itong pagpasok ko sa Pinoy Big Brother Collab Edition, it was my third time auditioning kasi the second time was for the PBB Teens Community. So, after Connect, meron pang isang season na dapat dun sana and then things changed. And then, I auditioned again, hoping that I would make it this time. Pero wala, hindi umasa. But luckily, binigyan ako ng opportunity and naging full circle moment for me.
Wow,
Gano'n
grabe.
ka deep ka na into the process ng mga una mong attempt, pare?
I don't know if we could disclose it, but siguro sabihin na lang natin na munti ka na talaga. It
Munti
was
ka
to the
na.
point na iniyakan ko yun ng todo. And doon ako naniwala na when you leave everything to God and you wait for His timing, everything will happen for a reason. Because there was a time na yung first itong PBB Connect, ano kasi yun campaigning. So you have to be top 3 in order to enter. And then when I was evicted pa nun sa live streaming at top 15, talagang naiyak ako sa live kasi for some reason I'd never expected in my life. Actually, auditioning for Pinoy Big Brother was never my dream. It was just my dad telling me na, "Uy, Toy, may audition sa PBB." Nag-audition siya nung bata siya. Try mo lang. And then, at the time, wala akong magawa. So, nag-audition ako. But as I went on with the process, dun ko na-realize na, oh my God, gusto ko pala ito gawin. And nung nandun na ako, nung munti ka na makapasok, alam mo yung parang, you felt like you were gonna make it na, yet biglang binawi. Doon ako talagang na-heartbreak. That was one of my biggest heartbreaks in my life. Kasi it was a dream. Doon ko naramdaman na I really wanted something. And siguro being that far in, being that dedicated. Kasi nga, I never slept na at the time and I had school pa afterwards. I was like, shucks, sayang yung nangyari. Lord, bakit? Why? But then, after nun, I calmed down. Before I went to school, I drove by our church in Canada and I just prayed na if this is for me, just guide me. And if this is a journey that I should be taking, just be there with me. Yun lang ang sinabi ko. And until now, hindi ko pinapabayaan ni God. And until na nasa bahay ako ni Kuya, na nasa loob na ako, nagpasalamat ako kasi grabe yung pinagdaanan kong almost 3 years of wanting to go inside the house and eventually making it inside the house.
Wow, grabe.
Wow.
Sabi nga ni
What a
Lord,
story.
Isaiah 60 verse 20, I, the Lord, will make it happen.
Totoo yan, totoo yan.
Pastor ka na rin ngayon, ha?
At Vince,
Yop?
ano ang favorite Bible verse mo? Kasi sinabi ito kay Miss Karen and it so happens same tayo ng Bible verse na favorite.
Ano ulit dun?
I can do all things through
Yun.
God who strengthens
Yun.
me. One of my favorite quotes and yeah.
Ako rin, meron ako.
Verse.
Proverbs 22:6. Train up a child in the way he should go, and when he is old, he will not depart from it. Shout out Precious International School of Davao. Nasa likod ng PE shirt namin yun kaya ako memorize. Yun yung buong Bible verse na nasa PE namin kaya ako lang memorize yun. Share ko lang. Anyway.
Pero nung paglabas mo, Michael, ano naman yung mga shocking na nabasa mo sa mga social media, ganyan?
Yeah, well, alam mo naman to Vince, nung nasa loob ako, parang lalagi kong sinasabi, binibiro but in a way na half meant na baka wala no career paglabas. Kasi kinakabahan nga tayong lahat naman at the time na shocks, I mean, how do the people perceive us? Is it positive? Is it negative? Kasi realistically guys, PBB is a make it or break it for your career. And respectively, having careers entering the house, kailangan mo talaga yung alagaan. But at the same time, you want to be true. You want to show the world who you are. Keeping that in mind, doon talaga ma-anxious ka na parang, ano kayang tingin nila sa akin? Am I the most hated na? And you can't avoid that because that's just reality. So when I went out, first of all, it was an overwhelming support and love of the people outside the house mismo. And doon namin naramdaman ni Emilio na parang grabe, iba pala yung pagmamahal nila sa season na to. And it took me a few hours to slowly get back on social media. But I went back right away. And doon ko binabasa yung mga comments na, wow, like, sabi ko, natutuwa ako na meron palang nalungkot din sa pag-evict ko. Marami na nadamay sa umiiyak ako and stuff like that. And saying, siguro the ones that shocked me was the one saying na, I was their big winner. Because for me, that means a lot. I mean, that means it's very valuable to say that, especially for the show. And doon ako talagang na mas naiyak or mas na-touch kasi grabe yung requests sa IG, and dami mga paragraphs that I really tried to read because it was so cool that somehow they were able to relate to my story. And yung story kasi na napakita ko sa PBB was just very raw. I mean, I did show my flaws, nabash man ako, I got criticized, but it was just me at the end of the day. And still seeing that people accepted me, that was something I was so thankful for.
Oh,
Grabe. Yun nga yung parang na-realize ko dun paglabas na depende din talaga sa mga tao, yung mga ini-edit nila.
Yeah.
Kasi yung pinapakita mo sa loob, kunwari good intentions, parang minsan yung labas, medyo masama eh. Na parang napaperceive ka ng tao ng ibang parang napoportray mo. So, isa lang yun din kaya guys, mag-ingat tayo sa social media, sa paggamit ng social media kasi very talaga siya. Like, lalo na sa aming mga artista na gabi yung epekto sa amin nun.
I mean, it's a common, I think, parang knowledge that we should always know that there's two sides to the story all the time.
Yes.
Whether good and bad, there's always the two sides. And it's up to you na knowing if you only know one side or the other. But let's just respect one another. Kasi importante yan. Totoo yan, Vince, lagi kong na-mention din sa loob na parang baka we might get out of context. Kasi yung naranasan namin sa loob, hindi na namin masishare sa inyo yun. Kasi nga, iba pag nasa loob ka na at iba habang pinapanood kami. But as much as there are conflicts or siguro bad edits that was very common. It was really something na we were able to manage naman inside the house. Kaya nga, iba din yung story na nakikita at iba din yung story naming naranasan.
Yes.
Tsaka parang na pag-usapan din namin ng episode ni AZ na yun nga, sabi nyo na sa loob medyo mag-overthink ka talaga kasi di mo alam na nangyayari sa labas eh. Parang gumagawa ka ng sarili mong kwento kung paano na perceive yung mga ginagalaw mo sa loob eh.
And kasi as a public figure or as a celebrity, we're very parang attuned with yung kung ano yung mga sinasabi ng mga tao about us. Like, as much as we want to, yung wala tayo masyadong pake sa kung ano yung mga iniisip na yung mga ibang tao, technically, our career is based on kung ano yung pagtanggap sa atin ng mga tao eh. Kasi hindi ka successful na artista or hindi ka successful in this industry if the people don't like you.
Totoo.
'Di ba? Kaya hindi mo talaga may iwasan na may isip mo yun when you're inside the house and you don't have that immediate yung way of reading what people are saying about you. Kaya
Pero tanong ka lang bro, kasi nga 'di ba paglabas mo sabi mo, there's comments, there's so much love. Paano naman yung pagtanggap ng family mo? Like paano yung family mo nung nasa loob ka pa? O kamusta sila? Tsaka nung paglabas mo when seeing all the comments?
Yeah. Kasi entering PBB, yung buong buhay mo ibibigay mo sa mundo. In sense of not just entertainment, but siguro as a story. Gusto namin ikwento yung buhay ko. And with that being said, madadami talaga pamilya ko. I mean, lahat ng post ko nung bata pa ako, mga post nila, nadadamay sila. And alam naman natin ng mga netizens, pag minsan nagkakamali tayo or we're put in the bad light, there's bashing. And as much as I can take it, I'm sanay kasi I'm in the industry, my family isn't that aware or that prepared for that. And siguro dun sila nanibago. And for me, dun medyo ako naapektuhan kasi nga parang habang nasa loob ako, hindi ko alam na nararamdaman nila yung sakit or sila yung nag-a-accept ng hate for me, which I hated. Kasi,
Hindi nyo nakikita eh.
Oo eh. Kasi ako lagi pag nagsasabi ng comments, may nakakita sila. I always tell them, huwag nyo nang basahin kasi not needed. But how can I tell them that wala tayong contact sa loob, diba? So doon ako medyo but I'm just so happy that after, share ko lang yung eviction night ko kasi was a Saturday. it so happened that yun ang same day na mag-arrive sila sa Philippines. So they were watching the whole eviction night on the plane. Sina mama at si ate. So parang naisip ko lang yung timing. Na grabe na paglabas ko, padating naman sila. Tapos ako pa nagsundo sa kanila sa airport. And doon ko na nakita na super happy nila. They were like, grabe to. Like, they were so happy with the feedback of the people. Na sabi nila, sayang, hindi ka natuloy, but don't worry kasi you did a good job. And they were proud. And siguro, hearing those words, because the reason why I cried, I haven't said it to many people, but the reason why I was crying during eviction, kasi nahihiya ako pumunta sa parents ko, natalo. Because pangarap ko yun for the family, hindi lang for me. That's why when Emilio and I were behind the doors before it opened, sabi ko, bro, like 48 days, it's done na. Like our journey's done. Like we're out na. It happened so fast. And when I went out, sabi ko, shucks, like how am I gonna go to my parents saying that we lost? Before entering, kinakausap ko sila, I'm gonna win, I'll do my best, I'll give it my all. So ayun, but when I heard those words from them, the affirmation na, parang sabi ko, at least I'm with them na. I'm happy that I get to see them, I'm with them, hug them again. And ayun, masaya lang ako na we're healing together. Healing in a sense na matagal din kaming walang contact eh. So parang for me, enough na yun na magkasama lang kami no matter what the outside noise, whatever they say, as long as we're together. I was happy.
Nakapunta ka pa sa wedding ng sister mo,
Yes,
di ba?
yeah, bro. I mean, yun yung pinagdadasal ko talaga and was my biggest concern. But sinabi ko kay ate, you know, you're my only sibling. And if hindi pa umakapunta sa kasal mo, never ko na ito maranasan ever again. But sabi ko, para sa'yo to. If mananalo ako dito, lalaban ko to para sa'yo. Kasi sabi ko nga, ba't pa ako lalaban kung mamimiss ko lang yung... Like, if I don't win, and I miss my sister's wedding, parang sayang eh.
Yeah.
So, sabi ko, if I'm gonna, I'll really push until the end. But timing lang. I
Gusto
got
mo
evicted
talaga.
right before. Yeah. And
Yeah.
who would have imagined, diba? I could have got evicted a week after or a few after.
Yeah.
But
Tumakto talaga.
ang galing lang.
And honestly, Michael, like, even if you didn't make it till the end, it's so clear that you're a winner in your own right with how the people perceive you now, how your career has gone after. And ang ganda kasi, even though you exited earlier than what you would have wanted, feeling ko natapos kasi yung arc mo inside the house. Kasi I remember, I felt really bad for you when I saw that one, parang kinausap mo si kuya na evicted ka na naman, I think,
yung
for like the
humagulgul
third
to.
week or something.
Hindi kasi
And I
umiiyak to, guys.
Yeah,
Hindi.
and I remember parang thinking na, kasi Michael is like a friend in real life. Ew. Anyway,
Ew.
Michael is like a friend in real
Sweet and
life.
sappy.
So alam ko na, like, hindi siya yung, Michael is an acquired taste.
Totoo.
Hindi, being honest lang. Like, kailangan mo siyang kilalanin. And lahat naman tayo, may parts about him or of him na kailangan mo i-accept, kailangan mong i-understand. And if hindi mo siya bibigyan ng chance na makilala mo siya talaga, ma-explain niya yung sarili niya, mami-misjudge mo talaga siya agad. So I'm happy na you started off na it was quite rocky and people didn't quite understand you. But I feel like before you left the house, napakilala mo yung sarili mo ng maayos eh.
Pare.
So, dun pa lang, winner ka na dun.
Acquired taste nga. Nung una, di masyado trip. Nung katagalan, ay,
Oo,
masarap.
parang okay naman pala.
No, thank you, Thea. I appreciate that. Kasi nga, as I entered that house, I told myself, I'll just be me. Like, ilang serye yung ginawa ko before na I'm portraying someone else. Sabi ko, this is my first show on TV that I can be myself and just be who I am. At pagpasok ko, maingay agad ako, makulit agad ako. And sabi ko nga sa family ko, sabi ko, if you guys really knew me, that's just how I am. If my friends watch, they know that ganun ako. But I understood, I already knew the first nomination. So I told everybody, I was like, I feel like I'm gonna get nominated. Kasi nga, I am very... I'm not everybody's cup of tea. Given na, I have a personality that I know can contrast with others. And given we're in a house that's filled with different personalities, I'm gonna clash with someone or with many people, which I didn't care because for me, I wanted to show lang na ako yun. Akong ganun ako and I will show you how I will adapt to you guys. It's not naman being so arrogant na Hindi, I'm like this. I wanted to show every time I got nominated how much I wanted to be a part of that family, adapt to them, feel like I can still belong with them. And that's why naghagulgol ako dun sa confession room. I almost actually wanted to voluntarily exit because it was a very difficult moment for me. For the first time, I felt an anxiety attack na hindi ko alam na mararanasan ko pala. Kasi as much as I wanted to be mentally strong in life, yun yung time na parang, grabe, I don't know what to do. But luckily, Kuya was there. And that was, this journey in PBB, it wasn't really just about, just to win, to play the game. For me, I felt like a winner because I got to learn a lot about myself. Doon ako naging komportable sa sarili ko, maging vulnerable man ako, ang dami kong natutunan, ang dami kong lessons na natutunan how I can navigate through life, especially now that I'm entering my adult years. And yun yung sinasabi ko sa mga housemates na, guys, once in a lifetime siya because you really learn a lot about yourself. And tulad ko, I had an arc, Vince had an arc, all the other housemates had an arc that made our stories very beautiful.
Wala ganun talaga sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya.
for listening to his TED Talk. That's it.
Na parang lahat ng emotions talaga taas-baba. Na parang pag malungkot ka, sobrang lungkot mo talaga. Tsaka pag masaya ka, sobrang saya mo din talaga. Na parang matututunan mo yung kung sino ka. Madami kang matutunan. Hindi lang sa sarili mo, pa din sa ibang tao.
Tsaka comment ko lang din, pare, yung ano niya ni Emilio, pare. Kasi si Emilio, kung tutuusin mo, sobrang ikli lang din ng time niya sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya.
1 month
Pero
siya.
naging ganun kayo talaga.
It's my duo, pare.
Yes, sir.
Pati paglabas
It's my best friend.
Pati paglabas talagang naka-form kayo ng friendship in that short time
Yeah.
So,
I love that guy. Shout out, duo. I miss you,
Emilio,
duo.
mag-guest ka naman.
Oh,
pare!
Do!
Please.
Guess ka naman, boy.
Pero
Boy, Binoy.
speaking of online comments, basa tayo ng mga mean comments
Ngayon
sa
kami,
online.
ngayon kami naman, tayong lahat.
Sige.
I'm vulnerable right now.
Subukan natin.
Wala ako
Ayan.
talaga yung una.
Thea,
Ngayon kami naman
Unahan mo
ang
na,
magbabasa
Thea.
ng mean comments.
Okay, sige.
I'll go.
Wala na?
Ito for
Ako
Thea.
talaga magbabasa?
Yeah.
Yeah. Ito, this was from, SOTF post about our first win nung first episode. Sige, sabihin ko na yung pangalan mo since kinoment mo naman to with your name eh. Sabi ni Raho San Juan, hindi magaling sa pagkanta, pati din sa pagsayaw. Bagay na kapartner mo talaga si JM, kaya kayo nanalo doon.
Wow, ano masabi mo?
Okay. Tinanggap.
I mean, you won.
Ako,
Take the dub, bro.
first rehearsal namin ni Naiiyak ako, bakit ganun? May mens ako eh.
Tissue.
First rehearsal namin ni JM, I arrived like 2 hours earlier than him. Than our assigned call time so that I can rehearse na mas maaga sa kanya because I wanted to make sure na ma-perfect ko yung sayaw bago pa man dumating yung kapartner ko. Kasi nga, alam ko na mas magaling talaga. Sobrang layo ng skill level namin. So, bilang partner, bilang kaduo niya, I took it upon myself as a responsibility na kailangan kong lagyan ng effort to kasi ayokong ma-let down yung choreographer namin, yung partner ko. Kaya, aside from that, I took private classes. Like, I paid para magpa-private class para matutukan ko yung sayaw na yan. Kaya, Raho, I respect your opinion but I reject your,
Your comment.
I reject your comment.
Oh, yeah. Kaya nga eh. Ikaw din, Raho. Saan ka ba magaling? Sa pag-comment.
Gets ko naman na, like, yung boses ko is not everyone's cup of tea. May hindi talaga magagalingan. And, I mean, I guess,
You just can't
that's
please
okay.
everyone.
Oh, yeah, bro.
And that's life.
Wag mo
Yeah,
na lang,
bro.
wag mo na lang akong panoorin kung ayaw mo naman.
Honestly, di ba?
Diba? Okay lang naman.
Para peace of mind, Rao.
Yes.
Swipe ka na lang
Oo.
or ignore it na lang.
Pero ako din naman, like, aminado ako na yung madami pa akong kailangan i-improve as do all of us, di ba?
lahat
Sa
naman
craft
tayo
natin,
ganun.
parang habang buhay naman talaga na dapat nag-i-improve ka.
But I think you should be commended at the fact that how you're so passionate about your craft because that takes one to do. I mean, going earlier to practice. I mean, you take in criticism, but you don't take in hate. And we have to applaud you for being very open, as in, open to the comments. But totoo yung sinabi mo na you won't accept that because you know you're putting in your efforts, your blood, sweat, and tears. Kaya, Thea! Good job, Thea.
Thank you,
Ikaw ang
pare.
panalo dito.
Extra
Raho!
effort, guys.
Magaling si JM pero magaling din ako.
Panis!
Oh!
Raho,
Papapanis!
kung nakita mo yung mga galos ng paa niya nun, grabe.
Oo nga.
Dugo at pawis yun. Promise. Oh, sige, ako naman. Bash ko naman yung sarili ko. Ito.
Short but sweet yung pambabash kay
Oo, actually dalawa yan. Sasabihin ko rin yung kanina. Sean Lucas, ito, reply sa ex sa post nung kumakanta ako ng OST ng Binibining Marikit. Maraming salamat para sa opportunity na yun as a non-singer. Maraming salamat na binigyan niyo ang opportunity for the OST. Sabi ni Elonia Moskva, Malansa. Yes, short and
A
sweet.
man of few
Man of few words. Sabi rin ng isa kanina, 2 out of 10. Grabe yung bashing sa akin, no? Precise. Ganun lang,
Ano kayang
no?
criteria nun, no?
Kaya nga, eh. Ayun, from Precious J.G. Sareñas, 2 out of 10. Taray.
Okay,
One
friend.
week
Teacher.
ago lang, oh.
Ha, teacher, bro.
Post ng Maka Boys.
Mga kaboy sa GMA Gala, 2 out of 10 daw
Uy, ang
ako.
pogi mo kaya nung gala. Legit to, ah.
Kaya nga, nag-improve na ako. 1 out of 10 yung sabi niya for una eh. So, nung gala, ginawa niyang 2. Kaya, maraming salamat sa'yo, Precious, ha? Hindi, sabi ko lang dyan is, di rin ako everyone's cup of tea, ganun. Tsaka aminado naman ako na di ako yung pinaka-poging tao sa buong mundo, sa balat ng lupa, ganun. Pero tinatry ko lang yung best ko na magmukhang presentable kasi kung malansa na yun para sa'yo, Elonia, pag hindi ako nag-try, naku, mas malansa pa. Di ba? Kaya, ayun, maraming salamat na tiningnan nyo at naka 2 out of 10 ako sa'yo instead of 1.
Pamoy nga, Sean.
Ha?
Pamoy nga. Yun.
Ay,
Oh my
Kaya,
God.
bango kaya.
Ang bango.
Preskong to.
Yung pabango mo, bro, tuna.
7 dwarfs. Ayun.
Ito naman
Ako naman.
Kay Bronze. Kay Borondoy.
Comment from Reddit post about PBB.
Ay, walang pangalan. Ano ba yan?
Siyang Potato. Sorry kung judgmental ako, pakinggan, pero I find Vince cringy. Parang feeling pogi yung vibe niya, ganun.
Pogi ka naman
Kaya
talaga
nga,
eh.
okay lang i-feel
Saan
niya.
ang gagawin
kasi
natin
pogi
dun?
talaga siya.
Sige ngayon, feeling pangit na nga ako. Mag-feeling pangit na ako ngayon. Pero kasi din, like ako, isa din yung sa wino-work on ko, yung confidence. Kasi ako, aminado din naman talaga ako na parang...
Napogi ka?
Hindi. Na medyo mahina yung confidence ko sa mga bagay-bagay. Like, siguro nung time na yun, nung nagmukha lang na feeling pogi ako. Pero gusto ko lang minsan talaga i-up yung sarili ko na mas maging confident, ganyan. Siguro baka nagka-misinterpretation lang yun.
Pre, alam mo, mas cringy kung yung tao objectively attractive. Tapos inaano niya na, hindi, pangit ko nga.
Parang sarap sa
Ano ba?
pangin.
Wag-
Technique.
Alam mo sa sarili mo na maganda ka, na pogi ka, huwag kang umano, mas cringe pa yun.
Ay, ikaw pala may kasalanan eh.
Ay, kaya potato. Ay. Tapos pag hindi naman confident, walang dating.
Oo nga. Ewan ko na. Hindi ko na lang kung anong gagawin ko sa life.
Saan na ba kami lulugar? Ano ba gusto nyo?
Oh, yung bago niyang post sa TikTok, yung nakawig siya, yun? Yun ba yung gusto mo? Ng potato? Ha?
Okay, ay mahaba.
Mahaba yung kay Michael?
Linabanan ako.
Pati.
Nag-effort siya dito. May ano siya
Paragraph,
dito, minimum
bro.
word count. Okay.
Si Krispy Kreme, 91.
Krispy Kreme.
Krispy Kreme ka, nagpapahamak sa iba, galawan ng isang manipulative person. Tapos pag nalagay sa hot seat, magre-reason out ala gaslighter. Tapos mga fans na nadala sa kanya kasi hindi siya victim eh. Fans hate those pa-victim. Same with politics. Kung sino yung perpetrator, siya ang pinapakinggan. Loh,
Pinapanigan.
pinapanigan. Lah, sige, i-push nyo yan, PBB, kung yan ang gusto nyo ipa-Big Four. Well, Crispy, I didn't make Big Four, so sana happy ka na.
Wait, anong context nito? Like, what was this? Do you have an idea?
Since it's 4 months ago, let's say it was one of the earlier weeks. Thoughts on Michael Sager.
Okay, in general.
general.
Sa buong
Nagpapahamak sa
pagkatao
iba.
mo to, pre.
Oo.
I guess napahama ko yung mga duos ko and doon ako gusto mag-apologize. I actually said it in the house that it was to Ralph, to River, to Emilio. I always tell them before nominations, dude, I'm sorry, but I feel like we're gonna get nominated again and it's because of me. I'm sorry. And I never wanted that to happen. That's why the duo concept always was difficult for me because as much as I know na I've been giving it my best, I've been trying to show authenticity, wala, it's a game and we have to nominate each other. And if ako yung mapili, ganun talaga, so be it. For me kasi, to call me a gaslighter or manipulative, it just depends on how you see the context. But I personally believe that I move by heart, I move by the truth. And if talagang manipulator ako or gaslighter, makikita nyo yun because the truth always prevails. And siguro, I'm only in this industry for 3 years. I've only been on this earth for 22 years. Ang dami ko pang lessons na dapat matutunan. Ang dami ko pang dapat ayusin sa buhay ko. And every mistake I make is a lesson that I have to learn from. I'm not perfect. None of us are perfect. Neither are you. And I think it's just a good message na when we make those mistakes, when we feel like nagkamali tayo, i-accept natin yung feeling na yan. But we shouldn't parang stay there, stay na negative tayo. We could just learn from it and be better. And I believe inside the house, I was there to really show the people na and the housemates that I'm trying to be better. I'm trying to make myself more acceptable siguro in a sense. And I appreciate the comment like this na sinasabi niyong pa-victim ako. Honestly, as much as I didn't want to be the victim, I have feelings rin. And we're all in a business of show, most especially PBB. Your whole life is there, right? You guys saw everything. And I appreciate that you guys were really giving me opinions because from this, I can learn from this pa. And baka it's a good sign for me to take a step back and see where pa I can improve. So, Krispy Kreme, 91, thank you.
Pero feeling ko si Crispy Kreme, masyado lang siya nag-iisip no? Masyado nilalagyan ng meaning yung mga nangyayari no? Manipulative, ang dami nangyayari. Parang,
masyado lang siya na-hook sa PBB.
Oo, parang masyado nag-iisipan para.
I think yun ang na-notice ko. Very passionate ang mga viewers. Which is good and bad.
Oh yeah.
Because if you are on their side, good. If you're on the other side, you could also see the other side of them. But ganun talaga eh. I mean, we have to accept the both sides and I think that's what makes showbiz.
Oh, yeah. Oo. Pero kayo, baka may naaalala pa kayong mga hate comments na baka gusto niyo i-share, ganyan. Kasi ako may naalala ako eh.
Sige, ano yung sa'yo pare?
Yung wala daw ambag sa thesis.
Alam mo nga, hindi pa nga nagsa-start ata masyado yung journey mo nun. Parang first day mo pa lang yata.
First day mo pa lang. Lumabas na
yun eh.
Bro, yung mga thesis mates ko, tinanong ko, sino kaya yung nag-post nun? Ganun. Tapos nalaman nila kung sino. Hindi ko naman siya... hindi naman namin siya thesis mate. Tapos parang sabi ko, ba't kaya niya pinost yun? Tapos
nalaman mo pala.
Parang sabi ng mga thesis mates ko na parang, baka ano lang talaga, like, gusto ko lang talaga niya siraan. Ganun.
Dang.
Pero, hindi totoo yun, guys. Dinilit, diba? Dinilit yung post. Yun yung hindi ko talaga makakalimutan kasi hindi totoo yun kasi nag-ambag ako sa thesis, pare. Na alam niyo yun! Nasa Love Is ako nun!
I remember yung time na parang nag-call tayo, tapos nasa car kayo, tapos nagre-review ka. Legit yun. First hand account yun. Totoo talaga ito.
Yung ba nag-thesis defense ka, naka-blazer sa taas, boxer sa baba. Kasi zoom lang zoom eh. Ganun, boxer dito, naka-blazer.
Pero isa sa mga hindi ko makakalimutan. Kayo, may naalala ba kayo? Or ayaw nyo nang balikan?
Sa akin, puro mga ganun lang eh. Parang ganun. Balansa, tuwa.
Actually, itong nagawa namin ito sa bahay ni Kuya, yung task na may frame kami, tapos kailangan namin isulat yung biggest hate comment that we received. And yun yung time na yun na parang kami nag-iyakan. But at the same time, doon namin na-explain yung side namin. And feeling ko as artists, it's good for all of them to know rin. And since we're all starting naman, we're all rookies in the industry, parang we're all trying to be better. And we have to start somewhere. Kumbaga, if we're not the best at whatever we may be doing, just like Thea, she's very dedicated and she's only here to get better. Just like Sean, just like Vincent, just like me na as much as you guys are bashing and stuff like that, we really are trying our best. And wala eh, we will push through it because it's for our dreams and goals. And I hope you guys then push for your dreams and goals. And if there are any obstacles or hurdles na hindi man basher kung ano man yan, kayanin nyo rin. And I hope you guys continue to spread love kasi yun ang mas mahalaga sa mundo ng hate.
Di kami santo, guys. Oo.
Wala akong maalala na masyado na specific. But it's always something along the lines of what was what I read earlier na bawa sa Queendom na parang ako yung pinaka hindi belong doon or sa yun sa SOT. Actually sa SOTF talaga hindi ako nagbabasa at all kasi yung parang sobra kasi yung effort na binibigay ko dun sa show. Like, as in mind, body, and soul talaga. As in, sugat-sugat yung legs. Tapos, wala na akong time for anything else. Like, hindi ako nakakalabas or ano. Kasi talagang pag-rehearsal na drained talaga yung katawan ko. Kasi nakakapagod talaga siya, guys, yung ginagawa namin. So, parang, kung makakakita ako ng mga criticism na hindi constructive, na purely
Hate
out
lang
of
talaga.
hate, parang hindi ko siya kayang tanggapin right now. Kasi nga, yung hirap na ako na palakasin yung loob ko eh. Tapos pag makakabasa ka pa ng ganun, parang... But anyway, I think, ang masasabi ko lang is that, yun, katulad din ng mga sinabi nyo na alam ko naman na, halimbawa sa Queendom, na hindi ako yung pinaka mataas yung range, may mga bagay, may mga aspects sa pagpa-perform, pagkanta, pagsayaw na mas magaling yung iba sa akin, na mas kailangan ko pa i-improve yung sarili ko. But all I can say is that I'm trying my best. And that's all I can do.
Sa akin naman, puro along those lines din. Puro lahat na nakikita akong bashing, puro very physical. Puro like sa mukha, sa katawan, ganun. And wala eh. Di ko siya may improve eh. Ito na talaga siya eh.
Yung physical bashing kasi feeling ko rin, I get bashed in physical aspects. I'm just thankful for what God gave me. Kumbaga, ito yung binigay sa akin ng Diyos. And ganito lang talaga tsura natin. I mean, what can we do? I mean, as much as we want to enhance and stuff like that, you guys can bash all you want. It might not be the looks you desire, but at the same time, parang sorry, ito lang ako, but yun na, parang hindi ko talaga gets yung physical bashing.
Alam mo, hindi ko din gets. Kasi ako, may mga nakikita din naman ako na tao in real life na nasa isip ko na, hindi ako masyado napupugian dyan or hindi ako masyado nagagandahan dyan. Pero hindi ako nakakakuha ng urge na
sabihin.
On them, yeah.
Like, hindi ko alam kung ano yung naiaambag nun sa life din ninyo sa pagpo-post ninyo ng ganun. Kasi yun, hindi yun constructive at all. As in talagang...
It's hate, bro.
Hate lang talaga yun.
Pero ayun, wala eh. Ito yung itsura natin eh. Di ba? Pag ganun, ito na yun. Ito yung itsurang minahal ng nanay natin at tatay natin eh.
Yeah. Yes. Kasi pag sinabing artista, hindi naman yan necessarily mannequin tayo, perfect figure, di ba? We're human at the end of the day.
Trying our best to look our best, guys.
Just like you, we're the same. Tao lang.
Kaya rin namin tinatry to look our best kasi alam namin pag hindi kami nag-look our best, ganyan yung mga kuha namin mga komento sa inyo.
Yeah.
Kaya ayun, we're just trying.
Like, honestly, the public loves to call parang yung mga nasa ganitong industry fake. But the moment you show any signs of being human or being normal or making a mistake or having a flaw, they jump at it. Parang, yun na, nakahanap na kami ng pwede naming punahin sa'yo. Parang,
wala ako sa mga ganyan. Pasok sa kanan, labas sa kaliwa eh.
Pero the bad comes with the good.
Sa kaliwa, lalabas sa kanan naman.
sa ilong.
Vice versa, side by side.
pero di naman sa sinasabi namin na puro ganun. Siyempre, the bad comes with the good as well. Ang dami rin naman namin love na nakukuha. Ang dami rin namin puri na nakikita sa mga comments. Pero ayun lang, we were just commenting on all the negative comments na nakikita namin.
Yeah, and I just want to say thank you as well to everyone who sees our efforts sa yung mga ginagawa namin to improve ourselves, to create our mark, and to those na yung hindi agad nagja-judge, yung binibigyan kami ng benefit of the doubt na, ano yun, ganon.
If I may add lang, siguro the biggest lesson I learned sa Pinoy Big Brother is yung last parusa task ko na naggawa is yung Sariling Mundo. That was Shuvi's major parusa that we also were part of kasi yun namin ang violations. But anyways, parang the moral of that story and that lesson was sa mundo natin, hindi lang ikaw yung maapektuhan, Kumbaga, may gawa kang mali or may gawi kang tama, madadamay mo lahat ng nasa mundo mo. And guys, we're all in one earth, we're all in one planet, we're all one nation, we're all human. And it's important to know that whatever you put out there, you throw out there, can really affect so many people. And if you're really throwing away hate, mga masasamang words, isipin na din natin yung nararamdaman natin ng iba, just as much as you would feel it. Kumbaga, everything goes full circle. Whatever you throw will come back at you.
Yes.
So I believe na let's just spread love, Positivity is the best thing to do.
Yes, sir.
And if you don't like what you're seeing, if it's not your cup of tea, if it's not something, ay, hindi ko to trip, swipe na lang, next, move on in life, and enjoy your life. Para iwasan na natin. Parang yun yung hindi ko magets eh. I mean, gets ko naman that people have opinions, but let's limit it and maybe it will be better for more people. I don't know.
Yeah.
Feel ko lang.
And discern kung may maganda bang maidudulot yung
Think before you speak.
sasabihin.
Yes,
Yeah,
think
so-
before you click.
Golden
think before
rule,
you type.
treat others the way you want to be treated.
Yes, exactly. And I think
Like for like, follow for follow.
basta post ni Idol like ko yan.
Oh,
And
sabi
I
nga ni
think
Carlos Agassi. Ay, sorry.
sige, sabihin mo na.
Tama ako, mali ako. Do what you say, what you do.
Okay. Ganda nun. Ganda nun. Okay. I think we should end on a positive note.
Tama.
May comment sa first time viewer daw ng Triggered. Sabi
Talaga?
ni ako na.
Go,
Sabi ni Pete R. Tieda 58, came from PBB for Vince and Shuvi, staying for Sean. He's so cute.
Cutie talaga yan. Pamoy nga. Ay, amoy baby powder na, guys.
Grabe.
Grabe, na-discover niyo yung dump account ko.
Wait. May gusto akong gawin natin. Parang let's end on a positive note nga. Ginawa namin doon with Gabby Garcia sa bahay ni Kuya. You just share one positive thing about each other. Parang I say
About
something.
each other.
Para, let's lift up the spirits
For
and,
each of
and
you,
spread.
or-
Kumbaga, you give one to whoever you want to say.
Okay.
Maganda masasabi ko kay Vince, dependable talaga si Vince. Like, na kaibigan, na kapatid, na anak, maaasahan mo siyang tao. Oo. Kailangan mo ng tulong, kailangan mo ng advice, kahit ano namang kailangan mo. Pag tao kang malapit sa kanya, maaasahan mo nandiyan siya para sa'yo.
He's one call away.
Okay ba, pare?
Grabe naman. Nikilig ako.
Mag-amuyan na din kayo. Mag-amuyan na din kayo.
Oh. Ano man kay Thea?
Siguro yung lagi kong ina-admire sa'yo is yung pagiging vulnerable mo. Kasi parang nakikita ko na sobrang lakas mong tao. Like, alam mo yun, parang magsabi ka or magkwento ka sa akin ng mga bagay na gusto mo i-open up sa akin. Parang na-feel ko na na-inspire ako kung gaano ka kalakas. Parang alam mo yung pinapakita mong weak ka pero ang lakas mo. Naiintindihan mo yung sinasabi ko. Kaya parang yun yung ina-admire ko sa'yo and nililook up to ko sa'yo na huwag mong baguhin. Kasi minamahal ka ng mga tao dahil dun.
Thank you.
Honey.
Boogs.
Boogs. Oh, gandahan mo yun sa'yo, ha?
Oh, wait lang.
Tandaan mo yun
Kailangan ko
sa'yo.
talaga mag-isip ng matindi dito.
Wow. Kasi wala ka maisip.
O hindi. Ano ba?
Hindi, maganda
For
na yung
Michael,
sinabi mo
ang
kanina eh.
Kaya nga, ang dami ko na maganda sinabi.
Oh, thank you guys so much for having me on Triggered.
Masyado ka
Maraming salamat po.
Masyado na lumalaki yung ulo mo. Ang weird. Kay Michael, well, I've always admired Michael for how much of a go-getter he is. Parang when he has an objective, a goal, an ambition, I see how much effort, how much of himself he puts into everything in order to achieve that goal. And parang alam naman natin yung lahat.
Ano
but
na si Michael? Instantaneous action eh. May gusto siyang gawin. Gagawin nga agad bukas.
But I guess something else that I would say is positive about Michael, I'm just happy that you don't forget the people who were there before you,
Bago ka naging Michael Sager.
Yes.
Oo.
Mag-guest ka ulit, tita.
Of course.
Paita ka naman, pare.
Thank you, Thea. I appreciate
Kahit di mo pa ako
that.
in-invite sa house mo, okay lang yun.
Ako
Okay lang
na.
Siya na kailangan.
Okay lang naman.
Ako yung housemate mo, pero hindi mo pa ako napapunta sa house mo.
Okay lang naman, Michael.
Oh, ito na. Tara na. Punta na tayo sa bahay ngayon.
Okay, let's go.
Ako, I want to say this to all of you guys. Having guested again after a year na, di ba?
Oo.
Mag-year na kayo. Nakaka-proud kayo seeing your dynamic change, seeing your progress in hosting, in the way you guys speak and handle conversations na. I'm so inspired that you are continuing to dedicate yourselves into whatever you're given, the opportunity, whatever it is. And I told Sean nung nagsimula tong Triggered, sabi ko, bro, alagaan mo yan kasi napakaganda ng Triggered. Ang gandang opportunity na yan. And tingnan nyo, ang dami nang nag-guest dito, ang dami nang natutuwa online. So, it's a big blessing for you guys. For Sean, you are really my... Kung hindi nyo guys alam, siya OG ko. Like, it is my OG duo, pare. Kaya, when I came out of the house, I really wanted to get out of all the things from PBB. I went to him. Sabi ko, bro, punta ka sa bahay. Chill lang tayo, usap lang tayo. And yun, parang dun ko na-appreciate na until all of this, he's always there. We have parang a low maintenance relationship na kumbaga busy siya, busy ako, pero pag may time kami parehas, agad yan. One call away lang din yan. Si Vince naman, bro, like, grabe yung journey natin as friends and as co-workers. We had our talks in the house and I'm just so happy na ngayon ng pagkalabas. Ang saya na, like, na nakahanap ako isang kapatid sa'yo and solid. I'm so proud of you, bro, sa Sangre, dito sa Triggered, sa the way you're handling things. Alam kong exciting ang future for you. I'm so proud of you na nakasama ulit
Exciting!
sa PBB, bro, exciting talaga. As in,
Exciting!
Isang exciting! Si Thea naman, you are really shining and it's just the start of what's gonna come because feeling ko you're gonna be really, really successful with all your talents. You're part of Queendom for a reason. I mean, your voice is talagang
Thank you.
powerful. It's the best. And you're starting to act. And your acting is... I always tell you, magserye ka na kasi... Ang galing ni Thea mag-acting, guys, diba? Comment down below. Magaling siya.
magaling si
diba?
Thea,
Alam
man.
natin yan. Hindi lang yan sa play. Pero pag nasa TV niyan, ako, abangan niyo yan, guys. Kaya I'm proud of all of you guys. Thank you again for having
We're
me.
proud of you,
It's so
Michael.
fun to be on Triggered. Nung sinabi sa akin na pwede ba mag-guest sa Triggered, oo, agad. Di ba?
Wow!
Walang ano. Thank you.
Ito yung pinaka-nakaka-trigger na guest.
Kaya with that being said, Kuya, nanomay ka po si Thea 3 points. Ako na lang ilagay niyo dito.
Michael, baka may
Yes,
gusto kayo promote.
Yes,
Oh,
manood po kayo ng Triggered. Abangan niyo po laging episodes ng Triggered. And you can follow me on my social media accounts, Michael Sager _ on all social media platforms. Thank you.
Tapos na pala yung collab no?
At All Out Sundays. Nanood kayo. AOS,
Yes,
di ba?
AOS.
Every Sundays. At supportan yung mga housemates na talagang nasa outside world na and discovering everything. So thank you guys again for the support, for all the love. Thank you. I love you all.
Yes. At sa mga bagong viewers ng Triggered, napapansin din kasi pag nakakabasa ako ng mga comments na parang madaming mga first-time viewers recently. So thank you so much for tuning in. Kung paano nyo man kami na-discover, maraming salamat. And sana patuloy pa kayo na manood, mag-support. And I hope na stream nyo din yung mga past episodes so that you can get to know us better.
Yes, sir.
Slay!
Kaya maraming salamat sa lahat ng viewers natin and you can catch Triggered again every Friday, 7 p.m. Saan nila tayo mahahanap, pare?
Ay, nakatingin tayo sa kanya, pre. Ending mo na to eh.
Ending mo na to, boy.
Pwede nyo kayong panood sa ATM YouTube channel,
Ha?
sa Apple Podcast, sa Spotify, sa Audible, at syempre sa ATM Facebook official page.
Wow. Nagkakalit
And please rate us 5 stars on Spotify. You can also leave comments on Spotify. And please leave comments on YouTube kung ano yung mga, kung saan kayo nakarelate.
kung ano yung mga mean comments na natanggap nyo din, or maybe in real life, may mga
Oo.
narinig kayo na ano.
Kung gusto niyo ma-feature sa Triggered, mag-hit lang kayo, di ba? Kasi babasahin
binabasa
namin Di ba? Para ma-shoutout kayo. Di ba?
Kaya din 5 stars yung Spotify din namin.
Yes! And follow our official TikTok account, triggered_ATM. At mapapanood nyo rin po kami sa Kapuso Stream every Sunday. That's at 3 p.m. Thank you so much,
See you
guys! Thank you, Micah!
Thank you guys. Thank you, Triggered
Mare.
fam.